Video 865, BFJ 165. We're making a game engine from complete scratch, and you are on the fast code review, so good luck. Source code is here, and ways of getting a hold of me are down here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so in the bomb thought system section, we have this putter, function bomb thought, simulation putting a FATA tile into the tile map, this tile size, global tile X and Y, and this V16 4-bit value. So you can see these are in the exact same order as these right here, and we've added the final calculations to get data pixel X, comma, data pixel Y. So scrolling down here, we've added two new variables to our thought vars. We have FATA room local X and FATA room local Y. So that's going to be the local tile coordinate within the room of data. Okay, let's scroll down here. Okay, so get room local coordinates. All we have to do to get the room local coordinates is take the global tile X, global tile Y coordinate and modulate it by the lateral span in tiles of one room for whatever tile size we are currently on. And that'll give us room local X, room local Y. For example, let's say that we're on the 1X tile size. Well, each room is 64 by 64 tiles with the 1X tile size, so this value would be 64. If we modulate this, so if we take GTX, GTY, modulate it by 64, we're going to get a value 0 to 63 inclusive, which is all of the addressing space for a tile that is on a 64 by 64 grid. So this looks good. Now we're only going to do this if everything is still okay. So most blocks of logic are going to have this little guard clause around it, kind of a generic is everything okay clause. And then if everything's still okay, we're going to get the data pixel. So this right here is just for OCD reasons. So this means the same thing as this, right? Room local X and Y carried over to room local X and Y. Okay, so data pixel X, we have to seek to the correct room, seek to the correct hotel, seek to the correct room, correct tri-cluster of data, correct layer of data, and then the local offset into that cluster of data, right? So data pixel Y, same idea. Seek to the correct hotel, seek to the correct room, seek to the correct tri-cluster of same size tiles, and then seek to the correct layer of data, geometry, bomb, or FATA. In this case, we're always seeking downwards to the FATA layer, and then the local offset within that chunk of FATA tiles. And then we'll do the pixel putting and setting stuff here. Okay, I'm out of time.